Hello everybody, welcome back to my Digital India with Ravindra Dastikop series. In today's session, we'll be talking about the thrust areas for the research as proposed by AICT's doctoral fellowship program. The first area is green technologies. Green technology or clean technology is the application of one or more of environmental science, green chemistry, environmental monitoring and electronic devices to monitor, model and conserve the natural environment and resources and to curb the negative impacts of human involvement. The thrust area number 2 is big data, machine learning and data sciences. Machine learning and big data are the blue chips of the current IT industry. The big data stores, analyzes and extracts information out of bulk data sets. On the other hand, machine learning is the ability to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. Data science is a concept used to tackle big data and includes data cleansing, preparation and analysis. Third in the list is blockchain. A blockchain is a decentralized, distributed and oftentimes public digital ledger consisting of records called blocks that is used to record transactions across many computers so that any involved block cannot be altered retroactively without alteration of all subsequent blocks. This allows the parties to verify and audit transactions independently and relatively. A blockchain database is managed autonomously using peer-to-peer network and a distributed timestamping server. The fourth trust area for the research is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, sometimes called machine intelligence, is the intelligence demonstrated by machines, unlike the natural intelligence displayed by humans and animals. Leading AI textbooks define the field as the study of intelligent agents, any device that perceives its environment and takes actions that maximizes its chances of successfully achieving its goals. Colloquially, the term artificial intelligence is often used to describe machines or computers that mimic cognitive functions that humans associate with the human mind, such as learning and problem solving. The fifth area of potential research opportunities is energy production and storage. Energy production and storage are the central problems for our time. In principle, abundant energy is available from the sun to run the earth in a sustainable way. Solar energy can be directly harnessed by agricultural and photovoltaic means, but the sheer scale of energy demand poses several challenges. For example, any major competition between biomass production and food production would simply transfer scarcity from energy to food. Indirect use of solar energy in the form of wind looks also promising, especially for those regions not blessed with abundant sunlight. The sixth area of research opportunities is electronics and photonics. Photonics is prevalent in almost every aspect of our day-to-day life, from smartphones to display screen to lighting and medical devices. It is often considered to be the electronics of the 21st century. The seventh area is nuclear engineering and allied technologies. Nuclear engineering is the branch of engineering concerned with the application of breaking down atomic nuclei fission or combining atomic nuclei fusion or with the applications of other subatomic processes based on the principles of nuclear physics. In the subfield of nuclear fission, it particularly includes the design, interaction and maintenance of systems and components like nuclear reactors, nuclear power plants or nuclear weapons. The field also includes the study of medical and other applications of radiation, particularly ionizing radiation, nuclear safety, heat and thermodynamics transport, nuclear fuel, or other related technologies such as radioactive waste disposal and the problems of nuclear proliferation. This field also includes chemical engineering and electrical engineering. The eighth technological area of potential research opportunities is robotics and mechatronics. Robotics and mechatronics combine mechanical and electrical engineering, computing, electronics and control theory. Engineers in this field work with instrumentation, sensors and real-time computer systems to control movement, respond to sensors, optimize processes, monitor systems and detect faults. The ninth area is augmented reality, AR and virtual reality. Augmented reality adds digital elements to a live view, often by using the camera on smartphone. Examples of augmented reality experience include snapshot lenses and game Pokemon Go. Virtual reality implies a complete immersion experiences that shuts out the physical world. The 10th area of research potentials include energy efficiency, renewable and sustainable energy. The interplay between energy efficiency improvements and the deployment of renewable energy technologies is a complex. If the respective potential in these two fields are combined, the total energy demand can be reduced by up to a quarter by 2030. The 11th technology area with research avenue opportunities is electric and hybrid mobility. E-mobility is an abbreviation of electromobility and is a general term used to describe the principles and concepts of utilizing electric powered technologies such as driver trains. E-mobility moves away from existing carbon emitting fossil fuels to using energy from electrical power sources such as the national grid through external charging capability. A hybrid car is one that uses more than one means of propulsion. That means combining a petrol or diesel engine with an electric motor. The main advantage of an hybrid vehicle are that it should consume less fuel and emit less carbon dioxide than a comparable conventional petrol or diesel engine vehicle. The 12th opportunity for research is smart cities, housing and transportation. A smart city is an urban area that uses different types of electronic Internet of Things sensors to collect data. Insights gained from that data are used to manage assets, resources and services efficiently. In return, that data is used to improve the operations across the city. The 13th thrust area of research opportunities is Internet of Things or IoT. The Internet of Things describes the network of physical objects, things that are embedded with sensors, software and other technologies for the purpose of connecting and exchanging data with other devices and systems over the internet. The 14th area is 3D printing. 3D printing or additive manufacturing is the construction of three-dimensional object from a CAD model or a digital 3D model. Quantum computing is the 15th area of great research opportunities. Quantum computing is the use of quantum phenomenon such as superposition and entanglement to perform computation. Computers that perform quantum computations are known as quantum computers. The 16th tech space which has potential research opportunities is smart technologies for agriculture and food industry. Precision agriculture or smart farming involves the integration of advanced technologies into existing farm architecture. Currently, there are three agricultural technologies that are expected to become the pillars of industry: autonomous robots, drones or UAVs, and the IoT sensors based farming solutions. The 17th area is water purification, conservation and management. Water purification is the process of removing undesirable chemicals, biological contaminants, suspended solids and gases from water. The goal is to produce water fit for specific purpose. Most water is purified and disinfected for human consumption such as drinking. But water purification may also be carried out for a variety of other purposes including medical, pharmacological, chemical and industrial applications. Water conservation includes all the policies, strategies and activities to sustainably manage the natural resource of fresh water, to protect hydrosphere and to meet the current and future human demand, population, household size and growth and affluence all the affect how much water to be used. The third one, water resource management, is the activity of planning, developing, distributing and managing optimum use of water resources. It is a subset of water cycle management. Water is essential for our survival. The 18th area which needs research orientation is public policy. Public policy is the process by which governments translate their political vision into programs and actions to deliver outcomes, desired changes in the real world. The area number 19, which is open for research, is social and organizational psychology and behavior. The social organization psychology approaches organizational issues from multiple perspectives and examines individual groups and organizations. The 20th and the last area of research focus is cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is the practice of defending computers, servers, mobile devices, electronic systems, networks and data from malicious attacks. It is also known as information technology security or electronic information security. These 20 areas provide a great research potential for any researcher. AICTE and many other institutions recommend to pursue your research in these areas.